to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain is nickfixdoctor.com of USA a legit or a scam website. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from this or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch the video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. So guys, let's start. What this website is offering to the customers. Guys, it is an online shopping website which deals with variety of products. If you check into the shop section, you will get a lot of options like Jewel, Puff Bar, Puff Plus, Pop Bars, Calibers, Stick Bots, and many more. So if you want to check some of their products, click on any one of them. Like if you click on the Caliber product, then you will get to know what is the advantage of using it and the image of the product. All these products are available at a reasonable price and most of them are already sold out. Now talking about their payment policy. Guys, they have not mentioned about their payment policy in any part of the website, but we can say that they accept all kinds of online payment method. Besides this, if you want to know about their shipping policy, click on any of the product, go into the shipping part, and it is clearly mentioned that they usually ship your product within 2 to 3 business days. Now let's talk about some of the legitimacy checkpoints. But before going further, I would request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on the basis of which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. Friends, firstly, this website is protected by HTTP protocol, which means the payment gateway is totally safe and secure. Nextly, if you want to know about the website age, the website has been registered on 6th of October 2020, which means it is a new website and hence it is not reliable because we don't know much about it. Besides this, if you want to know about their About Us section, then let's go into their About Us page. Friends, if you open their About Us page, you will get the product page open, which is not correct. It is a negative point for the website because they have not mentioned anything about their journey, establishment or anything else. Moreover, a page that gets opened is their product page, which is not justified. Now talking about their contact address. Guys, they have not mentioned their physical address. So again it is a negative point. Besides this, talking about their contact mail ID, if you scroll down below, it is given that you can contact with them at support@nickfixdoctor.com. So yeah guys, it is given in their website, and besides this, the mail ID matches with their domain name. So it's pretty reliable and a plus point for this website. Now talking about their social media presence. Guys, they are present in 2 social media platforms. Firstly, Instagram, and secondly, Snapchat. Besides this, they do not have any other social media page. Now let's talk about their return and refund policy. So click on the menu section, go into the help center. Guys, they have not mentioned anything about their return and refund policy, but if you want to know more, you can click on the help center section or can mail them in their contact mail address so that you can get to know about their return and refund policy, because they have not mentioned anything about their return and refund policy in their official website. Now talking about the customer reviews, we want to say that in Google you will get nothing about their customer reviews because it is a new website, So there is only few information available regarding it in Google. Besides this, if you click on their products in their official page, you will get a few customer reviews. That is 1 to 2, not more than that. Now, talking about the website content quality, guys, the content quality is not good. It is poor in comparison to other content of other websites. So yeah, again it is a negative point. So on the basis of the above discussion, we can say that this website is new website and hence it is not reliable, and we will not recommend this website to anyone until we get more information regarding it. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet our channel, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe. Thank you guys.